Hey y'all, happy Thursday. I am actually in my new house. I'm just kidding. I'm in Hayes' and Drace's. There's a piece of pepper in my teeth. Great. They really do not have good names. Drace and Hayes' new house. They just moved in. I'm here by myself. I'm using their internet because, as you guys know, my apartment does not have any internet. So came over here to get some work done. It is currently 4 o'clock. So just wrapping some things up before the end of day today. But just wanted to get on here and say, hey, welcome back to another vlog. We're in Salt Lake City, Utah. I know I haven't had a vlog from Salt Lake in a little while. Things have been wild. So we're just gonna do like a quick little weekend in my life. It's actually just going to be like tonight and then tomorrow because Saturday I leave for Korea. So just kind of like some trip prep, you know, things like that. But anyways, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to Hayes and Drace's house, and let's get into a new vlog. Yeah, look at her in her new kitchen.
Hey y'all.
We're so excited for you. Say hey to the vlog.
There he is. How cute.
Here he is.
Where did you put it?
I was asking you.
You hid it away.
They just moved in. How many days ago?
Like 4, 3.
3 days ago. 3 days ago.
3.5.
Where did you put it?
Andres, you had it. It's right here.
It's
Oh.
only batteries.
So are you a Daily Drills slut?
I am. I hate it. It's good quality.
It
and I
smells
stay up.
nice.
I stay up.
We're having a little sippy sip of Zach Brown Band wine.
Yes, we are. His life is short, and Caroline has hung out in months, and she leaves for months tomorrow.
No.
No, 2 days. Caroline's going to Korea.
I'm going to Korea.
And then she was in Croatia, and then I was in Boston,
And then I was stuck in Rome.
she was stuck in Rome.
Drace, what have you been up to?
I was on a private jet, going to my yachts.
Beep. I'm just chattering here. Are the instructions on that?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you're supposed to pull it down, but then this cord kind of sucks.
Okay. Here's the charcuterie of the evening, y'all. We have some salami, some other type of salami, prosciutto, really good crackers, pumpkin crackers, 2 types of cheeses, and then
But like, look at him.
a wine of choice.
It's like torrential down.
Yeah, Grace is excited about it.
Yeah, right.
I'm good. She's.
No, Hayes' toxic trait is when she washes her hands, she goes like this.
Was she what?
It is.
When she
Yeah,
washes
I
her hands, she goes like
do.
this.
Oh yeah.
And it gets everywhere. Having a little sneaky.
See, now we're gonna need to put stuff on this table for like.
Here, take these tulips.
There's gonna be some music pumping in here. Cheers. Should we do the voiceover?
Yeah, we can do it.
Let's do it before.
Let me brush my hair. Charcuterie board we have. She's home. And Drace lives here too, but you know.
Lock her up.
Yeah. Trump's Triple Crown.
Yes.
Trump's Legal Air Tour.
I like lock her up.
See?
Does anyone else have to try on everything that they're putting in their suitcase? Because that's where I'm at this point. So we're gonna start compiling what it is we need to pack. It's getting late. It's 8:15. So I'm gonna do this really quickly, but yeah, I'm just thinking like a little t-shirt, turtleneck. This is from Zara. These are French Connection, I think. And I'm trying to like figure out professional like workwear. So free people loafers.
Oh, I can see
We
my breath.
did it, Tori.
We did it. We back.
We back.
I'm not going to Whole Foods though. I'm sorry.
That is so sad. How unfortunate. I just went grocery. Hey y'all. Good morning. Happy Friday. It is Friday the 13th right now at 8:38 a.m. And we are just leaning into the spooky season today. Sorry, my mom called. So we are officially in spooky season. So to kind of kick it off today, we are, well, I obviously have work to get to, but I am just making a quick soup. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. It's always a crowd pleaser. It's like this sweet potato wild rice soup. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw all this stuff in a pot so it can simmer on low for a good while, because after work, I am gonna go meet up with Hayes and Grace and my friend Tom. And we are going to a pumpkin patch to pick out pumpkins to carve tonight. We're gonna have just like a little Halloween, like red wine pumpkin carving situation. And I'm bringing the food. So I'm making the soup just really quickly before work because it's a lot of chopping, but once it's all in the pot, it's pretty easy. So it was so nice to get back to spin today. If you're new here, hi, but if you're not, you know that my Friday mornings in Salt Lake are just the best. I go to spin with my sister Hayes. I go to Tort Spin in Sugar House. And I was finally able to get back and go today because it's been a minute. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly whip up this soup, and we're gonna go ahead and get our day started. Friday in Salt Lake, I didn't get a chance to go to Java Joe's today because I was in a little bit of a hurry. I had to go to Whole Foods, but I already crushed my tofu breakfast burrito from Whole Foods that I always get. Those things have a chokehold on me. Put in all the liquid and a veggie bouillon cube. So it looks like really liquidy right now, but I'm actually gonna put in some wild rice and kale later on this afternoon. But I just want the broth to have all of this great flavor from just like sitting all day. Also, just like a little hack, if you just put in the entire like twigs of thyme, because thyme's so hard to get off the stem, it pretty much just falls off after cooking, and then you can just like take the twigs out. And then same thing with the sage, like it's just in there for the flavor, so you just take it out before you serve. Anyways, this is just gonna simmer on low for like the next hour, and then I'm gonna turn it off and then reheat it like 40 minutes before I want to serve it, and then I'll put the kale and the wild rice in it beforehand. So this is good to go. Easy little hostess meal if you're interested for a little fall meal. So I just came over to Sister Snipes' house. Hi. I'm using her Wi-Fi because I don't have any at my house. But really quickly, I brought over this bag of groceries for tonight. Just thought I'd show you. So we got some meat for the charcuterie board. Got some little crackers for the charcuterie board. I got a little baby selection of cheese. Then what else? We're making grilled cheeses tonight. We've got some olives for the charcuterie board. This is leftover for the soup that we're gonna have over here, just to top it off. And then this is gonna go in the soup, and this is for dessert. So that's everything we've got, but I have got to get to work now. Oh, Hayes, your kitchen, like the lighting is perfect. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work now, so we'll check in with you later. Bye.
Yeah, you don't want her to uninstall it and try it again. I mean, when you sit, if we for 10 seconds, she would totally do it, and she would look and tell you if you need to uninstall. I mean, I don't know, we were going to a patch, I thought we were buying.
Y'all, it's 3 o'clock. We've been working and tapping away. Andres went to ride his bicycle. Caroline's working. I'm not stalking the Amazon guy, but if he doesn't get gone off this porch, we got some packages. We got so many, yeah.
Yes, it's all.
Okay, Andres, I'm gonna need you to, I'm gonna have to redo it. You're gonna have to stop talking. Y'all!
We're here. Where are we? Where is this place? It's called Kawanababa.
Yeah, it's a confusing name, but it's in Utah.
It's in Utah.
It's
And
adorable.
Look at all these pumpkins. Oh, we just got some popcorn and we got some hot apple cider, and then here comes Dre's.
Here's our hot dog man.
Dre's got a hot dog.
I gotta do too.
Kind of like.
They're too good to talk.
Yeah, they're like.
We're requesting to shuffle.
Yeah, can you change the music to like fall country or something?
Ball country? There's a.
Or what's a good playlist song that you have?
Wait,
Flash up.
I need one more glass.
Here we go.
Hey, do you have one more wine glass? So I'm gonna end off this vlog here and actually just start off a new one in a little bit, but we've made it to Korea. We're here now. I'm so tired. I started traveling this morning at like 6 a.m. Salt Lake City time, and it's currently like 3 a.m. Salt Lake City time, so it's been a very long day. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here, but thanks for watching a cute little short Salt Lake City vlog, and we are about to just roll into the Korea vlog, so stay tuned. Bye.